Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Windows customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the best way to reach these people is to open up a web browser and go to pistconsumer.com. Now from here you want to click on companies or hover your mouse over it and then search by company and then type in Windows and then hit enter. So Windows here. And here's Windows and Microsoft. Now if we scroll down on this web page, we've got these tabs here called Review, Q&A and Contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts. And here we go here. So we've got a toll-free number you can call for Windows and Office support, or you can just click on Call Customer Service. And you've got a Microsoft Store support here as well. And we've got accessibility here. And we've got more phone numbers and emails. If you want to call their headquarters, they've listed them as well. And also they've got if you're not sure which one to call, they've got the most popular number that people reach out to Windows customer support with, this number here. And you can actually see stats: total calls 148 and 5 issues resolved, and the last call is October the 9th 2024. So it's quite cool how they keep this updated, in my opinion.